Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Drain Cleaner. First, safety is paramount, so please gather your rubber gloves and eye protection. It's also crucial to ensure your work area is well ventilated to avoid inhaling fumes. Before you even think about pouring, make sure to remove any standing water from the sink or tub. This allows the cleaner to directly access the clog for maximum effectiveness. Now for the application. Carefully pour the specified amount of drain cleaner directly into the clogged drain. Always refer to your product's label for the exact dosage. It's typically around 16 ounces for a standard clog. Remember to pour slowly and steadily to prevent any splashing. We want the cleaner to go straight to the problem, not on your skin or surrounding surfaces. Once applied, it's time to let the cleaner do its job. Allow it to sit for the time recommended on the product label, which is usually between 15 and 30 minutes. This waiting period is crucial for the chemicals to break down the clog effectively. After the waiting time, thoroughly flush the drain with plenty of hot water for several minutes to clear away the dissolved blockage. If the clog persists after the first attempt, you can repeat the process once more. To prevent future blockages, consider installing a simple drain screen to catch hair and other debris. Also, making it a habit to regularly flush your drains with hot water can help keep your pipes clear and free-flowing, saving you from future headaches and costly repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.